Hey guys, first and foremost, let me say I'm sorry for the wind noise, if any, but check this golf cart out. Got called out on it yesterday, was able to get out today, and besides a flat repair, but just look at the front end. Look at this tire is splayed out that way, and this wheel is splayed this way. The only way that happens is if you wreck the cart. I'm gonna get this thing up in the air. It's a real super easy fix, but I just wanted to show you guys what was going on, and in case you had a club car that was doing the same thing. Guys, so this thing has got a leaf spring for the front suspension, and it runs all the way across to the other wheel over here, and right here is the clamshell. And basically what we have to do is loosen these 4 bolts nuts so that we can recenter this spring. 14 or 9/16 and loosen these nuts, all 4 of them. Now we get all the bolts loose, nuts loose, and you want to make sure that this plate is loose as well. Just get them all loosened up there. I can jack up the front now. Make sure you get both wheels off the ground. To go yonder way, so I'm going to turn the wheels all the way to the right. And I'm literally just going to take a hammer and right here on the knuckle, as you can tell, I probably moved that spring probably 1/2 inch. So let's just check it. That looks pretty good. I think I need to go just a little bit more, but you really can't tell until you get it on the ground and tap it around. I'm gonna give it a couple more whacks. Yes sir, I do believe that's as good as I'm gonna be able to get it today. For an emergency road call anyway. I don't have any alignment specifications for this cart. Just eyeball it the best you can. Plate back up. Alrighty guys, we got that bottom plate torqued down. Just use the German spec on that, you know, good and tight, but just put a wrench on everything and make sure everything's tight. You got all your nuts, and I do see a little bit of seepage right here on the rack and pinion, and I do believe that boot has been compromised, so I'll have to make a note of that and order him a boot. But other than that, I think it's good to go. Guys, I'm the More Medic One, and if this helped you out, and which I hope it did, give me a thumbs up and smash that like button. Subscribe if you would. It would help me out tremendously. Anyway, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.